What is up, y'all? Just out here in the garage. This has been quite the project, but if there was any more room in this engine bay, it would be a lot better. I want to show you guys kind of how far I am and kind of what's next. So we've got the whole turbo kit all put on. Got everything in the engine bay. Mostly. We still got to finish up this top radiator hose. Figure that out. Still got to do the bottom one down to this neck down here. And but pretty much everything is super sick. Peep that. Hell yeah. But yeah, everything is wrapped. And I don't know if I can show you guys. There's a bunch of stuff back there too. It's all wrapped. Got my heater hoses running that way. Got my fuel lines in the back. All heat wrapped. Everything's on. Injectors are in. Fuel lines are done. Wrapped up. Coil packs are on. But we still got to build plug wires. Mount the dipsticks. And finish making a bracket for this little reservoir that's going to sit up here. Kind of just sits on there. So just need to get that wrapped up. Just need to do the drains, feeds, finish up the exhaust on both sides, and get it coming out the bumper, and then put the O2s in, put my IET sensor in the back side of this charge pipe, and then run everything to the boost controller, which is inside there, and get ready for this thing to fire up. Pretty rad. It's been a lot of work. A lot of nights out in the garage, a lot of missed sleep, a lot of long days because of it. If y'all have been following this build, if y'all have helped me on this build, I appreciate it very much. All the shops, the people, all the shops away from me, not local, all the local shops. It has been nothing short of amazing, and every time I need help, somebody's reaching out. And all the help of my friends and just everybody involved in this thing. It's been quite the task, but hope to bring you all some good content soon. Hope to get out in those streets, support the track, and just have fun with this thing. This has been a long project. Sometimes it's even longer. I've only been 5 months without my car, but it feels like it's been years already. But yeah, just want to thank everybody for all the help, if you're following, and hopefully I'll see y'all soon. Hell yeah. Peace out, y'all.